Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. We are going to talk about Prophet Ishaq. So friends, Prophet Ishaq was born in 1896 BC in present-day Palestine and died in Actually, he was born in 1716 BC and was died 1896 at the age of 80 years. At the time of his birth, Prophet Ibrahim was 100 years old and Sara was 90 years old. His mother was 90 years old. As a Judaism and Christianity, Islamic maintains that Ishaq was the son of the patriarch and Prophet Ibrahim from his wife Sara. In the Holy Quran, in Surah Sad, Allah Almighty declared the prophethood of Ishaq. Prophet Ishaq asked his people to follow the path of Allah Almighty at Kannan. As they grew old, Rebekah became pregnant by Ishaq, and the children in her womb were constantly struggling. Esau and Jacob were born to Ishaq when he was 60 years old. They became blind and settled his son Jacob in Hebron, Palestine. Prophet Ishaq was the second son of Prophet Ibrahim, a miraculous gift from Allah Almighty. Prophet Ishaq is considered an important prophet in Islam who continued to spread the message of Allah Almighty after the death of his father. Prophet Ishaq lived preaching Islam for 180 years. He died in the land of ash-Sham. He was buried next to his father in the same cave where Abraham, Al-Islam, and Sara were buried, in Al-Khalil, Hebron, Palestine. So friends, this Ishaq was the second son of Abraham, and he was also a prophet. So friends, Allah Hafiz.